Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, some updates here need to be made. First thing, got to give some credit where credit's due. The day did not start off very well at all. In fact, the first 30 minutes, you can see the price actually gapped down, and then the price continued to fall even further. And, it was a clear break of this 405 level of support. But like I said, to give credit where credit's due, the price, that second 30 minutes leveled out, and then essentially spent the remainder of the morning into the early afternoon with a very impressive bounce. And then from there, just simply went sideways and consolidated out. So what started off as an extremely rough day, the price, bounced back upwards very nicely. So 405, although I would consider it a weakened level of support, it is still a level of support nonetheless. So continue to watch that level going forward. And nothing new in that regard. So 405, and then you still have the 385 mark down there. But good to see that 305, although temporarily broken, the bulls were able to quickly recover and get the price, bounce back upwards. So we'll see if the price can, continue to at least stay up above 405. Who knows? Maybe it won't go back there and test it at all. But that is a nice sign, especially, the upwards movement's not really the nice sign. The nice sign is that what had been going on before the upwards movement, and that was, the price just with that nasty 30 minutes. So sure, it was good that the price, bounced back upwards, but just its ability after a lot of downwards momentum is actually the impressive part. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report from previous videos. Still have the near-term level right there, that pink line there, the 50-period moving average, that valued at $4.29. If the price can get up through there, then the next key level of resistance up there is that red line, which is currently valued at $4.40. So all in all, rough start, but a strong close, and now getting some consolidation at higher levels. So we'll see if the price can maintain these gains, or if this was just just a temporary dead cat bounce. Still 3 days left this week, so let's see how it continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.